Hey y'all, it's BB Nails and More, and today I have another unboxing, and this is from IPSY. I just got it in the mail. Alright, so we got a big thing of bubble wrap. And here's what we got. I'm going to take everything out and move that out of the way. And there, that way you can see better. Alright, that's everything in the box. Okay, so all this came together in a kit or in a set. So for one price, so all this together. Sorry, y'all couldn't see. There we go. Alright, so we have a palette, and this was bubble wrapped. Okay, so we have the City Limits by IBY Beauty. Here's what it looks like. Here's what the back looks like. And it shows what colors are in here. It's a really pretty purple, pink, metallic-y. So I guess the company is IBY Beauties. And I guess the color is City Limits, or the theme. So let's check out the palette. And it has, I'm trying to open it, and it says that it's inspired by, I have lotion on, so I'm having a hard time getting this. It's slippery. So, City Limits is inspired by the spectacular sights and sounds of music festivals. This palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented, blendable shades infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. This mauve tone palette has the ideal balance of light transition and dark shades. And it lists the ingredients and the colors. So let's check this bad boy out. I really like the packaging. Super cute. Here's what the actual palette looks like. It looks just like the package. Alright. Ooh. So it has a plastic seal protector. Ooh, these are beautiful. Oh, that is so cute. Here's the colors. And then it has a really nice mirror. And the mirror, let me lift it up. And the mirror says, "You are more than beautiful." And then it says City Limits. How freaking cute. Beautiful colors. So we have the color, the first color is called Road Trip. Then Nightfall. Then we have Headliner, Drop Bass. And then it says Glamping, Fire and Ice, Playlist, VIP. Then we have Silent Disco, Light Shadow, Dance Party, and Backstage. And these have, it looks like a pretty good neutral fall type color palette. And then we have a few like darker colors. Alright, and I'll swatch this here in a minute. And I didn't put any makeup on today because I wanted to use my new thing. Okay, so this came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, yep. So it came with 6 pieces. And this is called, I don't know. And it's spelled O-U-A-I. O-U-I? hair care. This is a hair oil, and that's what it's called. I don't know how to pronounce that. And it's 0.33 fluid ounces, and it's hair oil. Wow. So it's a little spray. I don't know. So you get some hair oil. It's a decent sized bottle. Alright. This kit also comes with this brush. Ooh, that's pretty. And it says Fiera. I guess the word's Fiera. And it's a beautiful gold. And it's black with white at the end. And it's in the number 35E. Can y'all see that? 35E Fiera. Wow. That is super nice. I cannot wait to try this brush out. And the brush also has indentions to help hold it, I guess. That's cute. I love that. I can't wait to try that out. This kit also came with a mascara. It's called IPSY by Petra, I guess. And it's a double brush mascara. And the color is Beyond Black. And it's a 0.28 ounce or 8 gram mascara. And it's in a really cute green wand or green tube. And it said double wand, I believe. So I guess in 2 different sizes. That's so cool. I've never had a double wanded mascara. Let's open her up, see what she looks like. Alright, so here's the brand, I guess. And here's the back. So this was at the top of the bottle. So we have a little skinny one. So I'm assuming to use for the bottom lashes. Wow, that should really help. That's exciting. Alright, let's check out the bigger wand. And excuse my nails, I just took them off yesterday. Oh, that's super cool. It looks like a comb. These are like really sharp. And it goes all the way around. So we have the bigger wand and then the real skinny one. And the color is Beyond Black. Double brush mascara. So we got that beautiful natural fall eyeshadow palette that come with, I think it come with 12 pigments or 12 colors. The eyeshadow brush. Double-ended mascara. We have the hair oil. And we got 2 more items. Okay, so this is called Coal of Honor Intense Kajal. I don't know. And the number 01 Blackout. I'm assuming it's probably an eyeliner. I don't know, but here's, I forgot to show you what the packaging looked like. That's what it looks like. So let's open her up. Oh, okay. So I'm assuming the brand is Sugar of this eyeliner. I'm guessing, never heard of it. And then it says Coal of Honor Intense Kajal. And the color is Blackout. There you go. Yep, there you go. You can see it. Let's. Okay. So yeah, it looks like a glide-on eyeliner. So that's pretty cool. I barely touched my skin with it, and it just glide right on. Right there. So hopefully it'll go into the waterline. I'm actually looking for, I've been on the hunt for a good white eyeliner. If anybody has any suggestions, leave it down below. So our last item in this set come with a Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Sculpting Lipstick. And this is a 0.12 ounce. This is with the packaging, and it's in a plastic. It's got plastic seal around it. And the color is called Envy number 270. Or I'm guessing the color is called Jealousy. So I don't know if the series is called Envy. I'm guessing the color is called, I don't know if it's Envy, Jealous, I don't know. But it's in the number 270. And this is a Estee Lauder brand. If I can frickin' open it up. Alright. Jeez. Look at my little sharp scissors. Jesus. There. Alright. So here's the color. And I kind of ruined the box, but that's alright. Alright. I'm hoping it's a good neutral color. Okay, so I guess the color is called number 270 Jealous. And it's like in a navy blue, it almost looks black, but it's navy blue. Navy blue and gold. Oh, wow. And it says Estee Lauder right there in gold. And here's what the color looks like. And it's got a good dip in it. Should fit the groove of the lips. Wow, that is, I don't know. It's like a dark pinky, I don't know. Let's swatch it. Here's what the color looks like. And it doesn't have a smell. Yeah, so it's kind of like a pinky red color, I guess. It goes on, it just glides right on. Alright, one more time I'll show you what the palette looks like. Not really sure why they put like a reddish color. I figured it would be like a brown or a neutral. Doesn't really match with the colors. But that's alright, I guess. Looks like a pretty color. It's not too dark. It'd be good for Christmas or Halloween time, Christmas time. I'm going to do a quick swatch of a few of the colors. Alright. So we're going to do the color Drop Base. We'll do the first 4. Oh, and inside the pans, they're engraved inside the eyeshadows. Says different words. It says IBY City Limits. That's really cute. I don't know if y'all could see that engraved into the eyeshadow palettes. That's cute. So I'm going to swatch the first 4 up top. Here's what they look like on my fingers. That's the second color, the third color, and the fourth. Those are the 4 colors on top. They all swatched beautifully. So there's mattes and metallic-y. So the first 3 are metallic-y and then a matte. And they're very shimmery. Now I'm going to do the middle 4. Wow, they're really... And this is the darker orange is called VIP, then Playlist, Fire and Ice. Ooh, I love that. And then Glamping. Glamping is a matte. And here's what the 4 look like. Now I'm going to do them right above in the same order. There's Glamping, Fire and Ice, Playlist, and VIP. So the one up top, I can't tell on my screen. Alright, so now we're going to do the last 4 colors. I'm dipping into Backstage, which is a blue. A metallic-y Dance Party is a green. Then we're going to dip into Light Show is a metallic. And then Silent Disco is a matte. Here's what the 4 colors look like on my finger. And I'm going to swatch them above. Okay, so we have Silent Disco, wow. Light Show. Then we have Dance Party. Then the last one, Backstage. Here's all 12 colors swatched. So the top one is the very last row. This is the middle colors. And then the bottom row is the very top row. These are very, very pigmented colors. And I cannot wait to play with these beautiful fall colors. And then I like the lipstick. That looks like a pretty color. It's kind of like a pink with the kind of like a red pink. I don't know how often I would wear that, but I'm super excited to try the double-ended mascara. The brush looks super nice. Can't wait to try that. And then I'm excited about the eyeliner. And then not sure why they would put hair oil in here, but I'll be excited to try that out. So anyways, come with 6 items, and I got this set on IPSY website. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.